Dear students, today we are going to learn how to improve the pictures quality and to make it beautiful. First of all, I have to apply the detail options. You can see that in that options I have to keep the image on that side. Now guys, I would go on the tools options where we are going to learn how to make the clone image. I would click on that clone. You know that in that clone image we could create the similar pictures of the original. So dear guys, here would make it clear, and now I want to draw that image which would be similar to the previous one. Here we could see that that image have been created.